Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So many happy returns of the day to Surya sir.
Many happy returns of the day, Surya sir.
Yes.
You are an amazing person and God bless you.
Yes, so on the eve of his birthday, we thought let's give a tribute using some of the mashup on his personality or on his movie scenes and all those
Yes,
things.
so this is actually basically Surya birthday special mashup
Yes.
by RCM promo and
Right.
remix.
Exactly.
Okay, so I think on this Surya sir's birthday we have not yet done any mashup yet. We have done the journey of Surya sir from 1997 to 2020. I think that we have done, and the first look of the Surya 40 movies. So this is the first time we are doing for this year actually.
Yes.
Surya sir's का birthday के लिए
mashup,
तो let's get started. We'll be like completing covering some of the mashups tomorrow because tomorrow is actually the main day of Surya's birthday, right? So yeah, we are super excited for Surya's birthday, and this is going to be, you know, this mashup is going to be a super duper mashup because of the thumbnail we can understand.
Right, yes.
And this is RCM promo, so no question about that.
Yes, exactly.
Right? So let's get started. But Supal, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes.
Oh, 24, na?
Yes. This is good movie. I have seen this
I have
one.
seen this movie. We will do this movie reaction, right?
Yes.
We have to.
24.
Check. 24.
Device activated.
Activated.
Okay, this is a kind of time machine kind of a movie, na?
Yes. Oof, Singham. Oof, India. Exactly.
Goosebumps.
இந்த மீசையை வச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் சிங்கம் வேட்டைக்கு கிளம்புன மாதிரி இருக்கு.
நல்லபடியா படிச்சு முன்னேற நாடு தானே முன்னேறணும்.
கிருஷ்ணா பாய் மேம் நீங்க அப்படிதானே படிச்சு பாஸ் பண்ணீங்க?
That's
Yes,
right.
first class with distinction.
Oh.
நாடு முன்னேறிச்சா?
This is like a super stylish mashup we have seen today.
Stylish,
Oh
yeah.
my god.
Oof, that's great, man.
She is completely a chocolate boy here.
நிம்மதியான கவர்மெண்ட் ஜாப் கிடைச்ச உடனே நாட்டை மத்தவங்க பார்த்துப்பான்னு சொல்லி ஒதுங்கிடுறீங்க. எல்லா கிரிமினல்ஸும் அரசியல் உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க.
But
Surya Shivkumar has released a strong worded statement against the NEET exam.
அவர் அகரம் சொல்லி சேவை செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்காங்க, சும்மா பேசல.
இந்த மாதிரி ஆளுங்க எல்லாம் அரசியலுக்கு வந்தா இந்த ஊர் எவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கும்னு யோசிச்சு பார்த்தேன்.
சூர்யா
வணக்கம் வந்தனம் நமஸ்தே நமஸ்கார்.
Not only a physical expression, even his body language also.
Seven of Aribu. Tera Zagan.
Dad, go dad.
Oh my God.
ஏடா அந்த பையனோட உசுரோட பெருசா.
Music selection is masterpiece.
Big man.
நீ எங்க இரு, நான் வந்துடுறேன்.
ஹலோ கீழே பாத்து
சாரி சார், தேங்க் யூ. முன்னாடி பார்க்காம பின்னாடியே பார்த்ததுனால
24.
முன்னாடி பார்க்காம பின்னாடியே பார்த்ததுனால
பின்னாடி முன்னாடி பார்க்கல.
Breaking news coming in. India has reported 3,66,161 new COVID cases and 3,754 deaths in the last 24 hours. Different cases as well as deaths in the last 24 hours.
Surya, who is this? During the pandemic?
அம்மா அப்பாட்ட சொல்லு நாளைக்கு காலைல 11 மணிக்கு அங்க இருப்பேம்மா
Flight ticket காசு எதா புடி.
This is Surya Putra, that now.
Excuse me sir இல்ல
So here you go.
Okay, they're related the things actually. Okay,
அப்பா கூட சொல்ல சார் I need to buy a ticket.
When you're flying, you should bring money.
So I need to get this ticket. Can you help me with some more money, sir? Sir, please, I can give you. No. Sir, you சும்மா கொடுக்க வேண்டாம் sir. Please, can somebody understand? உங்களோட phone number கொடுங்க, உங்களோட address கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா I'll definitely give the money back. Sir, please help me. Ticket காசு வேணும்.
I'm thinking of joining the army.
Army எல்லாம் வேண்டாம்.
அவன் நெஞ்சில கை வச்சிட்டான். அவனை தடுக்காத.
அவரை போய் பார்க்கணும். Please help me. Sir, I don't want to be begging you.
Some big breaking news coming in. Owing to rising COVID-19 cases in Tamil Nadu, double the numbers in just the last 14 days. COVID-19 spike leading to the government now.
யார் செஞ்சது இது?
ஆத்ரயா சைனா இந்தியா மேல நடத்த போற பயோ வார் ஆத்ரயாடா
பயோ வார்
ஆத்ரயான்னு உங்க அண்ணன் பேரை கேட்டாலே எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் உள்ளுக்குள்ள ஏதோ ஒரு பெரிய பயம் வருது.
ஆபரேஷன் ரெட்னு ஏதோ பண்ண போறாங்க. இந்தியன் மணில 300 கோடி இல்லீகலா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க.
What movie is this? I'm seeing very interesting.
Auntie,
Doctor, unfortunate news from Tamil Nadu of the first death that's been reported due to coronavirus.
நீ சேதுராமன் அண்ணன்னா நான் சேதுராமன் புள்ளடா
ஆபரேஷன் ரெட்ங்கிறது சைனா இந்தியா மேல நடத்த போற பயோ வார்
போதி தர்மன் மிகப்பெரிய மருத்துவர். 1600 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னால வாழ்ந்த போதி தர்மனை அதே திறமையோட திரும்ப வர வைக்க முடியும்.
இப்போ நான் போறேன், நீ அப்பா அம்மாக்காக போறேன், அவங்களுக்காக மட்டும் இல்ல.
This looks. I should watch this movie. This is much more better than any other movie.
Ending with some good news, a major boost to India's vaccination program.
இவருடைய புத்தி கூர்மைக்கு போதி தர்மரே வந்து பொக்கே கொடுக்கலாம்ல.
Okay.
So wow, this full mashup. It was looking like something like a story going on. It started with lot of the actions that Surya sir has done in lot of the movies. So different kind of actions he has shown,
Yes.
and then it turned into the story of 2020 and 2021.
The pandemic related to that actually.
Yes,
this is a completely, he has done a kind of like documentary, you can say,
yes.
with the help of his movie scenes.
Movie scenes, because
he
whatever
has covered
he has
everything
done,
actually. Yes,
exactly. Whatever he has done in the movies,
yes.
that can be related in the present scenarios.
In the present scenarios,
because
the pandemic.
The movie was that China will start the bio wars and like that was there. So of course this is a bio war kind of situation.
Yes, definitely.
Right?
Actually, the mashup has been started with a lot of classy, lot of stylish kind of activities of Surya sir's.
Yes.
Of course, the mashup actually is like brilliantly made. At the very beginning, it was like classy, full stylish.
Yes.
At the big like middle or the towards the end, it is like completely the documentary kind of regarding the pandemic and all of the scenes. Like there are a lot of couple of movies are there, maybe 5 or 6 movies like Arivu bhi tha, फिर 24 था, फिर वो Sodarai Putra, a lot of the movies like related to the scenarios that your father is not well,
whatever the dialogues and all, whatever you are saying.
So this is a kind of like very unique kind of mashup to do with
yes, and because whatever the airport scene was there from the Sodarai Putra, that is very much relatable with a lot of the people. See, here it was about the money, but earlier in the pandemic situation, a lot of the people tried to travel from one place to another place, but they were not able to do it because somebody is died in their family, but still they were not able to travel just because of this pandemic situation. Flight and trains, everything was closed, everything was banned.
People are going by feet only.
Feet only, yes. Right? A lot of the people tried
1400 kilometer, 1200 kilometer by
that was the very worst scenario our generation have seen.
So this is actually wonderful mashup today. Why? Because this mashup is having everything. This mashup is having emotion, this mashup is having classy scenes of Surya sir. He's all the expression, all of the top movie scenes, and moreover the music behind the mashup is like
that was giving a powerful
and मतलब बहुत क्या बोले जोश भरा है. It is like a lot of energetic kind of music they have given.
The music and the BGM. Picturization, it was well synced.
Yes, very well matched.
Exactly. And the one more thing, Surya sir looks like a chocolatey boy. Still at this age also he's very good looking. Actually he looks too young.
First of all, he is very good looking. His eyes are like really awesome. He is having a very beautiful eyes, and he knows that how to like express by his eyes. He is capable of doing any kind of role. He is very versatile, and also he is having a kind of body structure and everything very much appreciable kind of
and that get up in 7M Arivu, that get up I love that get up, the way he was carrying those like saffron color dress and all that was amazing. You can't tell exactly because those kind of who lives in hilly area and who wears this kind of sadhus and all, if you say they're fully fit, right? And they are having that kind of body, and that same situation, same thing he has maintained.
Here. Actually, we have searched for this movie, but we didn't get on YouTube the Tamil version. We got the Telugu and the Malayalam version. So please let us know if you have any YouTube link for the Tamil version of the full movie. We just want to see the full movie in Tamil, not in other language actually, because we can't miss Surya sir voice. His voice is having a lot of firmness and whatnot. So that is why this is a wonderful mashup today we have seen, and RCM Promo has done beautiful job. Just go and see his creation. After that, see our reaction. Okay, so yeah, if you like our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.